Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice recipe, weight loss detox. Welcome to our channel, where we are dedicated to promoting healthy living and well-being. In today's video, we are excited to share with you a powerful and natural elixir that can kickstart your journey towards a healthier you, the apple cider vinegar and lemon juice detox drink. Packed with detoxification benefits and known for its potential to support weight loss, this simple yet potent concoction has been embraced by many for its holistic approach to wellness. So, if you are looking to give your body a refreshing cleanse and support your weight loss goals, stick around as we unveil the secrets behind this remarkable tonic. Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice is a simple weight loss drink that acts as a detox for the human body. Though the juice is simple, it is a power-packed drink with immense detoxification benefits and works as a weight loss drink. There are many more healthy drinks to burn overall fat, and this one is a highly requested drink that I am sharing and hope my viewers appreciate. Also, another similar drink using ACV is apple cider vinegar and honey, as well as other detox drinks to check out on the blog, which are celery juice for weight loss, green weight loss smoothie, liver detox drink. About the juice. I am making a quick ACV lemon juice that requires organic mother apple cider vinegar, ACV, and some lemons or a lemon extract. Combining these two ingredients with water and making a drink is an excellent detox for our bodies. For a simple ACV drink, try out my ACV for weight loss, which is only a diluted ACV drink. The drink can turn slightly sour due to the acidic nature of ACV and lemon, but can be made sweeter by adding honey or maple syrup to make it sweet and making a pleasant drink to consume anytime. To make it consumable during summer, ice cubes can be added and make a great juice recipe that can work wonders in just a few days if consumed regularly. Difference between ACV and mother ACV. Both kinds of apple cider vinegar follow the same process while making. Still, to make drinks, ACV mother is healthier, thick, and has lots of minerals, bacteria, proteins, and probiotics, and is unfiltered and raw can have more health benefits. The normal ACV we get mostly is in filtered form and also can be pasteurized, which is not so healthy for making detox drinks. Always go for organic ACV to make any apple cider drinks and enjoy its benefits. Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice benefits. Apple cider vinegar is readily available online or in stores, and few are aware of its benefits. To lose weight, this is a highly used drink and combined with many other healthy ingredients such as ginger, honey, lemon, and cinnamon, which all act as detoxifiers and help lose weight. ACV, if taken on an empty stomach regularly or twice or thrice a week, helps reduce the weight and tries to cut down the unhealthy fat from the body. This is one such drink that can be taken before meals or during bedtime or early in the morning. The most common benefit of using apple cider vinegar is it controls blood sugar levels and reduces them. If one has blood sugar issues, then diluting apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and consuming once in a while can keep the sugar levels in check. However, it is always better to consult a physician before following any methods, as they can interfere with the medications. Other typical advantages are that it cures a sore throat and helps digestion and heartburn. It has immense benefits to human hair, such as assisting in clearing dandruff by using this drink internally. Lemon benefits. Lemon has immense benefits, but it can be a booster drink to lose weight if combined with apple cider vinegar. This citrus fruit has its place in many detox drinks to detoxify the system, and one standard method is to use lemon with a glass of warm water and have it early in the morning. Doing this cleans the system, helps digestion quickly throughout the day and boosts the human body's metabolism. It commonly works for weight loss because it has cleansing properties. Combining works wonders, therefore, I am using some powerful detox ingredients to make the drink and help the viewers try it out and share their feedback. It contains probiotics that help clean the gut and get rid of infections. It also boosts the immune system, helps reduce cholesterol levels, and keeps sugar levels in check. The juice advantages. This juice combined with lemon roundels and honey is a great weight loss drink and controls the appetite. If appetite is under control, it can avoid consuming unhealthy foods such as junk food, cold drinks, and deep-fried food during the day and helps us focus actively during our daily activities. It contains probiotics that help clean the gut and get rid of infections. It also boosts the immune system, helps reduce cholesterol levels, and keeps sugar levels in check. I am also adding honey to the apple cider vinegar and lemon drink as ACV is already sour, and lemon to the drink increases the intensity of the sour flavors. To balance the acidic nature, adding honey can do a good job. Honey is a healthy ingredient added to detox drinks, and it not only acts as a sweetener but also works as a fat burner. One can also go with stevia as a natural sweetener or opt for maple syrup to balance the sugar levels healthily, but honey is a good choice. Tips. Since this drink is slightly acidic, try not to consume it daily as it can affect the tooth enamel. If trying to use it regularly, try not to let the drink touch the teeth or use a straw to consume without feeling it. If on medications of any kind, always seek the doctor's advice before using any detox drink as they can interfere with medications and cause side effects. Just consuming the drink cannot give immediate results, but following a healthy lifestyle, avoiding junk food, sleeping on time, avoiding stress, being happy and simple workouts along with the drink can help in yielding better results quickly. Use apple cider vinegar and lemon juice before meals, breakfast, or on empty stomachs. Always have the drink in a diluted form. Never have the ACV directly as it is too acidic. If the drink requires more sweet flavors, add more stevia or prefer adding honey to make it sweet and easy to drink. When to consume this drink? Try to consume it on an empty stomach or take it before meals. Do not consume it too often or too regularly because of its nature. Also, do not ever consume it in its concentrated state. Always drink it by diluting it with water and other ingredients. The information provided here is not given by any medical expert, and it is always suggested to consult the doctor, as some drinks are not suitable for everyone. Medications, too, do not support such kinds of drinks. Variations. I am using apple cider vinegar and lemons plus honey but using it with ginger pieces or crushed ginger to make ACV drink and enhancing it by adding cinnamon or any weight loss ingredients is a good idea. Mint too is good for digestion, and using it in the drink is also a good enhancement. The only critical point to remember is to dilute the drink with a small amount of mother ACV and stir well before consuming. Step-by-step procedure. Take a juice or mason jar or a glass. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to the jar. Add a tablespoon of lemon extract to the drink. Add in some ice cubes for a chilling effect, or skip it. Now add water as required or a glass of water. Add honey to make the drink sweet. Stir everything well. Add some round lemon slices to the detox drink. Serve it or consume it with a straw. Enjoy the benefits of weight loss as well as belly fat burning. Can I add lime juice in place of lemons? Since both have almost similar properties, replacing lemon juice with lime juice is advisable, but it is optional. I prefer adding lemons to the vinegar drink, but if lemons are not available or handy, just replacing them with lime is also a good option. Side effects. It can sometimes lead to tooth erosion as it is acidic. Apart from curing many things, it can also cause issues such as throat burning sensation as well as cause bone loss. Be careful while using as it can interfere with medications taken. Please seek expert advice as soon as possible if any issues are noticeable by using apple cider vinegar and lemons. As we conclude this video, we hope you are inspired to incorporate the apple cider vinegar and lemon juice detox drink into your daily routine. Remember, achieving your desired health goals is a journey, and small steps like embracing natural remedies can make a significant difference. Before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and recipes. Here is to a happier, healthier you, one sip at a time. Thank you for watching.